Hello there, it's Anna here, an English teacher from Russia, and I'd like to share with some amazing news that has happened lately on Wakelet. Yay, that's about integration with OneDrive. Let's see how it works. First, you need to go to any kind of collection that you have, press the Edit Collection button. After that, we are going to see a new option here when you press to add a new bookmark button. It's a green cross over there. So you just press it and you may see the new feature is here. It's OneDrive. Press it and actually after that you may add any kind of document that you have or file on your OneDrive disk. Let me demonstrate how it works and let's add this kind of presentation. We just press the add button and whoops, yeah, it's over here just right in our collection. It's really easy and such a helpful thing to use. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to save your collection after new adding. Bye bye, see you.